Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chelsea from Chelsea As of Late here. If you're new here, we're all about thrifting, secondhand shopping, and having fun with our fashion. So if that's your jam, make sure you join the fam. Today we are in a very special place. We are in Tampa, Florida, which, as you know, is the place where I started thrifting. This is where my thrifting journey began back in middle school. My grandma introduced me to thrifting and she lives here. And we are here for Thanksgiving. So it's Black Friday and I thought, let's go back to the beginning. Let's go back to our roots. Let's go thrifting in our favorite stops, or shops, I should say, in Brandon. Particularly. It's a little town outside of Tampa. Last time we were thrifting here, we kind of went to different spots, new spots that I had never been to, and they were fun, but I really want to go back to like my tried and true thrift stores. And so we are starting off a day of thrifting. I'm so excited. I don't really have an agenda. Not really looking for anything in particular. Of course, I always have my running thrift list, as you guys know, but I'm kind of just like open to seeing what the thrift stores have. I love that somebody's literally staring at me as I'm vlogging. So much fun. And yeah, let's see what this journey entails. Let's go thrifting in Tampa, Florida. You know, it's been so long that I've been here that I literally don't even know where to start. But we're in the back. Finding gems already. Overstimulated. Yeah, I don't know where to go. This cute little slip, and it is vintage. And this men's blazer. Okay, we've been through the whole store and now I'm gonna sort through and try on a few things to see just what we're bringing home. I should say my luggage is incredibly limited, so we have to be very selective. Into the fitting rooms, try some of the tops, bottoms, and dresses. This is cute, but do I need it? Fun fact, I actually thrifted a top in this exact same print, and it's Banana Republic as well. I'm really liking this cut. I'm just trying to figure out if I actually need it. This is a cute little basic. It's kind of like a black shimmery see-through blouse or top, and I like it. It's actually supposed to be kind of like cow neck, but I turned it around to see the V side, and it's really cute. I'm thinking about it. Okay, these are a definite yes. They are these Ann Taylor suede pants. They're kind of not skinny but slim at the leg, so I can picture them with like cowboy boots, a really cool belt, a button down, or like a white top, and like a cool cardigan over, and maybe like a bolo tie, give it a western feel. These are sick, and they're like $7-ish bucks for suede pants. Not bad. LOL, this dress, you guys. Am I not like an 80s beauty queen, pageant queen? It does not fit me. It doesn't zip all the way, but I just had to try it on. It's so sick. I literally don't know where I would wear this. But love. This is another one of those, no idea where I'm going, but I just had to try it on. And it's so good. I mean, look at this beading detail on the corset. This is a find. I don't think I'm gonna take it though. But very pretty. And this is the final piece. Definitely a yes. I love, love, love the fit, the flowiness, the length. It's a great slip. And it's coming home with me. Okay, you guys, that was a successful... This car. That was a successful first stop. Honestly, so many memories going back into Lighthouse Ministries Family Superstore. Not a crazy selection of vintage, but that was fine. I just kind of wanted to go back to my like old stomping grounds and kind of see what the vibe was. But now we are going to the real deal, Holyfield, which is a Goodwill Superstore that there is down the road. These were like the 2 thrift stores I would usually go to when I was visiting my grandma, and so that is like, that's humongous. Let's head on out. Let's see what we can find.